Before the age of precision, travel was a heavy burden of wood, iron, and rope. We remember the massive wooden trunks, cornered in brass, weathering the salt of ancient ship decks. From crude leather bags cinched to the backs of horses, to the flicker of candlelight over rusted locks and parchment maps, every journey was an arduous labor. These relic suitcases of wicker and leather, layered with yellowing stamps, tell the stories of a world that moved slowly, bound by hand-stitched threads and iron rivets. Watch the hands of time turn as the ancient wooden wheel dissolves into high-performance polymer. Today, the artisan's needle has evolved into a 3D digital symphony. We see aerodynamic curves traced by blue lasers, and virgin polycarbonate beads falling like rain into the forge. As massive robotic arms awaken with a rhythmic mechanical hum, the legacy of travel is reborn. This is the crossing of eras, where historical weight meets the weightless power of modern engineering, paving the way for a future written in light. As the factory lights flicker to life across endless assembly lines, the manufacturing heart begins to beat. High-gloss plastic sheets glide into the heat, their destinations determined by digital scans and surgical precision. Listen to the hiss of pneumatic power as the hydraulic presses descend. This is a sanctuary of automation, where every refined curve and every laser-etched aluminum logo serves a singular purpose: to define the ultimate standard in modern travel. The transformation begins in the intense glow of infrared heat. Softened and pliable, the polycarbonate sheet is placed into the mold, where a powerful vacuum draws the plastic tight against every etched line. We see the birth of the shell, revealing textured, scratch-resistant patterns designed for endurance. After a blast of industrial air stabilizes the structure, the newly formed shield emerges from the forge, ready to face the world's most demanding environments. Under the pressure of high-velocity water jets, excess plastic is sliced away with surgical accuracy, leaving a rim as smooth as glass. Automated drills pierce the shell, creating the vital ports for handles, locks, and wheels. Nearby, solid aluminum bars are bent into the structural frame, precision glued and riveted into place with stainless steel anchors. This is the skeleton of the suitcase, a rigid fortress built to protect your most precious cargo from the rigors of transit. Intelligence is added to the frame as TSA-approved locks are fitted and tested for rhythmic precision. Every screw is torqued from within, securing the security of the journey. Then comes the soul of mobility, double-wheeled TPU casters. After being precision lubricated for silent rotation, they are bolted into each corner. Watch as they spin 360 degrees, a masterclass in effortless motion, designed to glide across airport floors with the grace of a silent predator. Aluminum telescopic handles are cycled through the gauntlet, tested for multi-stage reliability before being anchored to the spine. On the edges, automated needles weave high-strength zippers into the rim, while the interior is lined with logo-embossed polyester. From the precision-sprayed adhesives to the mesh compartments and X-shaped straps, every component is integrated into a singular, flawlessly functional entity. This is the inner sanctum, where your belongings are cradled in a world of organized luxury and enduring protection. The two halves of the shell are united by steel hinges, brought together in a final, perfect alignment. But before it earns its name, every suitcase must survive a punishing trial. We purge the interior with compressed air before loading the weight of reality into its core. We drop it from 2 meters, watching in slow motion as the polycarbonate body deforms and instantly recovers its shape. It is a breathtaking display of resilience, proving that our engineering can withstand the most violent impacts of global travel. The gauntlet continues as the Suitcase roars across bumpy tracks for 10 kilometers and endures 1,000 strikes on its handles. From high-pressure rain chambers, testing its waterproof seal, to 500 rapid zipper cycles, only 100% perfection is accepted. The digital monitors scan for any sign of fatigue, but find none. The screen finally flickers with the ultimate confirmation: quality pass. This is the moment a collection of parts officially becomes a trusted companion for the long road ahead. A sea of thousands moves in perfect harmony across the factory floor. Pallet-carrying AGVs glide silently, while AI cameras flash, hunting for even a microscopic surface flaw on the glossy shells. Each unit receives its final warranty seal, a digital birth certificate for total traceability. As the protective film is applied, we ensure that the pristine finish is preserved for its future owner. This is the logistics of excellence, where every movement is calculated to ensure the product arrives in a state of absolute perfection. The Suitcase now enters its final armor, a heavy-duty carton folded by rapid mechanical fingers. Moisture absorbers and warranty cards are nestled inside, before the box is sealed with industrial precision. Every package is branded with its digital identity, a serial number and QR code that tracks its journey from our hands to the global market. As the massive robotic arms stack the pallets and the shrink wrap tightens, we prepare to send our craftsmanship across oceans, ready to fulfill its destiny on the world stage. AGV forklifts deliver the pallets to their high-altitude berths in the smart warehouse, guided by infrared eyes. Behind the scenes, the pulse of industry never slows. Nozzles are cleaned, joints are greased, and data screens display a staggering output of 10,000 units a day. This is the rhythmic, unyielding heartbeat of a facility designed for the future. Even in the silence of automation, there is a profound sense of purpose, a commitment to manufacturing excellence that echoes through every hall. In the deep glow of the curing lamps, the vivid red and blue shells stand in silent formation, like soldiers of light. We look down upon a humanless assembly line, a singular organism of logic and power. As the sun sets over the facility, the warehouse doors open to receive the morning shipments. A robotic gripper places the final unit of the shift, its silhouette reflecting on the polished shell. Our production day concludes as the factory settles under the golden light of dusk, a silent testament to human ingenuity. The journey truly begins at the world's international gates. We hear the sharp snap of the aluminum handle and the silent roll of wheels across marble floors. Gliding through neon-lit terminals and resting on the scales of departure, our craft enters the belly of the aircraft. Secured by the TSA lock, it travels across continents to stand on the edge of a tropical horizon. What was once raw plastic in a high-tech factory is now a witness to the beauty of the world, carrying your dreams safely across the globe. As the factory grippers lower for the night, the brand logo glows in the shadows, a beacon of reliability. We build for the raindrops that roll off the waterproof shell and the thousands of miles yet to be traveled. Connecting continents through a digital blueprint, our mission remains clear, because we don't just manufacture luggage, we protect your stories and your memories. Your journey, our mission. As the traveler walks toward the horizon, the future of travel is already here, held in the palm of your hand.